Imagine wearing all this, all at once. For 2 years, we've been working behind the scenes to bring you the Alpha Series jacket, the revolutionary graphene-based all-around jacket from Graphene X. Big brands have been telling you what to wear and when to wear it since, like forever. But we're changing that. With the help of a revolutionary material called graphene, we've life-proofed our jacket. It's the world's first 3-layered, all-around graphene-based jacket. You've heard of graphene, right? These guys won a Nobel Prize for it. It'll revolutionize the world. Ultralight aircraft, foldable phones, bulletproof t-shirts. You get the drift. You see, graphene is a single layer of carbon extracted from one of Earth's most common materials, graphite. And when applied to modern materials in a 2D layer, it brings some extraordinary qualities to the fabric that make it perfect for all conditions, hot or cold, dry or wet. Graphene's nanotech is impermeable to nature's elements, yet fully breathable. So the Alpha Series jacket breathes freely while being both fully wind and waterproof. Graphene X's jacket is so versatile, you'll soon think of it as your loyal companion. And even though it weighs less than 1 pound, there's enough graphene in our jacket to cover 5 soccer fields. Come summer or winter, city, travel, or trail, this jacket's for you. A jacket with such good all-around performance, it'll also free up space in your closet. Graphene X's jacket really is one jacket for any and all occasions. We've used Geotech's Storm proprietary fabric throughout, added a Reco rescue system, and ecobionic, eco-friendly coating to bring you probably the most advanced jacket you have ever seen. It's packed full of all the technology you'd expect in a top-quality jacket. And to misquote Henry Ford, you can have any color, so long as it's graphene gray. This is how it all started. You know how the weather is all 4 seasons in a day?
Why do you need so many jackets?
Now that's a good question. So we looked into every single material you can think of. Coconut, merino wool, cork, bamboo, polyethylene, Kevlar. But nothing. Nada. Until we discovered graphene. Now, the challenge was to find a daredevil manufacturer who could manage to integrate our graphene layer into the best fabrics in the world to create this never-before-seen jacket. And we found them. After 2 years of scientific experiments and prototypes, we've finally got it, the Graphene X jacket. So now we come to you, the early adopters, the revolutionaries, the ones that decide how the world is shaped, to support our campaign to ignite this revolution and make Graphene X the pioneer. The Graphene X jacket. Get the jacket you'll never want to take off now.